If you've lost respect for yourself, here's how to get it back. 7 non-negotiable steps. If any of these 7 steps hit you, drop a comment telling me which number. Let's see which one we all needed to hear. Step number 1. Stop saying it's okay when it's not. Every time you allow what hurts you, you tell yourself you deserve less. Self-respect starts when you stop pretending disrespect is acceptable. Call it what it is. Step number 2. Don't stay where you feel like an option. Self-respect begins the moment you stop settling for half love and half effort. If someone treats you like a backup plan, walk away. You're not a placeholder. Step number 3. Say no the moment something feels wrong. If you can't say no, people will never know where the line is. Your boundaries teach others how to treat you. No boundaries equals no respect. Step number 4. Stop apologizing for having needs. You're not asking for too much, you're asking the wrong people. Stop shrinking yourself to fit into relationships that require you to be smaller. Find people who make space for you. Step number 5. Walk away from anyone who makes you question your worth. Love should bring clarity, not confusion. If someone makes you constantly second-guess yourself, that's not love. That's manipulation. Leave. Step number 6. Let people misunderstand you. Your peace is more important than convincing anyone who wants to stay blind. Not everyone deserves an explanation. Protect your energy. Let them think what they want. Step number 7. Choose people who choose you back. Respect yourself enough to stop chasing what isn't showing up for you. The right people won't make you beg for their presence. They'll match your effort. Self-respect isn't built overnight. It's built every single time you choose yourself. Every time you say no to what hurts you. Every time you walk away from what diminishes you. Every time you refuse to settle. You don't need permission to respect yourself. You just need to start. And if you haven't already, go drop that comment. Subscribe if you're done tolerating disrespect.